If we study the weather of a place for a long time, we can see a pattern emerge. This pattern is called climate. The climate of a place depends on how far it is from the equator. Climate affects our lives in many ways. It decides the type of houses we live in, the clothes we wear, and even the food we eat. Everything we do is influenced by climate. The short-term atmospheric conditions of a place, like air temperature, sunlight, clouds, rain, wind direction, and wind speed, are called its weather. People in Himachal Pradesh, a northern state, live in houses made of wood and stone with sloping roofs to prevent snow from accumulating. In Assam, a northeastern state, it rains heavily. Houses there are built on bamboo poles to stay above the wet ground. People wear clothes according to the weather. In Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and other southern states, they wear white cotton clothes to stay cool. In winter, we eat crops like gram, moong, groundnut and jaggery. In summer, we enjoy watermelon, drink green mango juice, and have more cold drinks. Nature provides us with fruits and vegetables according to the season, keeping us healthy. In winter, we get carrots, peas, cauliflower, apples, and chiku. In summer, we have zucchini, bottle gourd, mangoes, and lychees. Climate depends on how much sunlight falls on a place. Areas where sunlight falls directly get more heat than those where it falls at an angle. Near the equator, the distance between the Earth and the Sun's rays is shortest. Therefore, the areas near the equator experience more heat. The poles receive less direct sunlight, so they are colder throughout the year. The Earth's tilt causes the sun's rays to hit different places at different angles. Near the equator, the rays hit directly, while near the poles, they hit at an angle. The Earth is divided into three main regions based on the amount of heat. In both the northern and southern hemispheres, the sun's rays fall directly on the areas near the equator. That's why it's hotter in these regions. This region falls between the Tropic of Cancer, located at 23.5 degrees latitude in the north, and the Tropic of Capricorn, located at 23.5 degrees latitude in the south. This area is called the tropical zone. In areas very close to the equator, it rains daily. Kids, did you know that in tropical regions, the weather remains almost the same throughout the year? Kerala in India, Andhra Pradesh, and states like Tamil Nadu fall within the tropical zone. The oblique rays of the sun fall in the area between the Tropic of Cancer and 66.5 degrees latitude north. In this region, there are many countries where it is neither too hot nor too cold. Some countries experience mild summers as well as snowy winters. This area is called the Northern Temperate Zone. The same conditions occur in the area between the Tropic of Capricorn and 66.5 degrees latitude in the south, which is called the Southern Temperate Zone. In the north, the area between 66.5 degrees latitude and the North Pole, and in the south, the area between 66.5 degrees latitude and the South Pole, the sun's rays fall at a highly oblique angle. Both these northern and southern regions are called cold zone because they experience extreme cold. This area is like the Earth's permanent refrigerator. There are other factors that affect climate, one of which is the distance of a place from the sea. Water cools the land near it, which is why areas near the sea do not get too hot. For example, the weather in Nagpur is pleasant compared to Mumbai, which is located near the Arabian Sea. But both places are close to the same latitude line. Another factor affecting climate is the altitude of the place. Did you know that for every 165 meter increase in height, the temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius? That's why mountainous areas located at high altitudes, like Shimla and Ladakh, are much colder than Delhi. Children, did you know that about 1/10 of the Earth's surface is covered with ice? 90% of this ice is in the polar regions.